Hello friends, how are you? This is a rainy season and puppies, all pets, especially dogs, they don't like rainy season. They feel very lazy. They, they do too much itching. But don't worry, just take care, give them a nice clean place to sit. They will be all right after the rainy season. And look, some people are afraid and say my dog bites me. This is not biting. This is not biting. The small puppy is on teething. That's why he feel itching in teeth. He try to chew, but he knows it's your finger. You are the owner. So he chew gently. Don't bite you. Give them toys to play. Then they will be all right. Good luck. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Good luck. Say bye. Bye. No. 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 Bye. No. Bye, Garo. Bye. 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 Bye.